Welcome to the Counseling Department's virtual open house. My name is Michael Holland. I'm the Director of Counseling at Hinsdale South. And we're going to spend the next few minutes giving you an introduction of one example of what counseling services are at Hinsdale South. Then each counselor is going to get to introduce themselves as well. So I'll begin. My name is Michael Holland. It's my 16th year at Hinsdale South. And I just moved to Darien myself, and my children will someday be Hornets.
Hi, my name is Jennifer Fitcher. I've been at South for 10 years. Your son or daughter is assigned their counselor based upon last name. So we've worked with many of you families before, and we also want to say welcome to all of the new families. South Pride.
Hello, my name is Hank Eubanks. I am starting my 18th year at Hinsdale South. I will be working with your students and enjoying the process. We will be selecting courses each year that align with your students' post-secondary goals.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Jarman. I'm in my 21st year, and something we love to do is work with our junior students during a junior planning conference where you have that personalized one-on-one meeting with the student to discuss what the best fit for that student is after high school.
Hi, my name is Rob Morgan. This is my 28th year in District 86. And speaking of after graduation plans in college, we host a financial aid night in mid-September that has a lot of helpful information on how to save money on college.
My name is Katie Cami. This will be my 9th year here at Hinsdale South. Another thing that we help students with would be any social and emotional concerns that they may have.
Hi, my name is Jim Dickerson. I'm in my 12th year at Hinsdale South. Our counseling department will help connect you to resources in the building, whether extracurricular activities, sports, or any of the other many resources available, like the dean's office, social workers, nurse, the list goes on.
All right, so thanks for your time tonight. Enjoy the rest of your virtual open house, and please reach out to us if we can help you in any way. Take care.